In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to refine your project management skills, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you get the most out of this powerful tool. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Asana account. Go ahead and log in, and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start creating your project. If you're using the web or desktop version of Asana, you'll want to direct your attention to the top bar of the interface. Here, you'll find a prominent Plus New button. Go ahead and click on that. For those of you using the mobile app, simply look for the plus icon and tap it. This will initiate the process of creating a new project. Easy, isn't it? Now, with the initial setup prompt open, you have a key decision to make, and that's choosing your project type. Asana provides a few options here, giving you the flexibility to tailor the project to your needs right from the start. You can create a completely new project from scratch if you have a unique concept in mind. Alternatively, if you want some guidance, you can choose from a variety of templates that Asana offers. And if you're transitioning from an existing setup, importing from a spreadsheet might be the best route. Once you've settled on a project type, it's time to dive into the finer details of your project setup. Naming your project is a crucial step. Choose a name that is both clear and descriptive, as this will help you and your team stay aligned and organized. The next step involves assigning the project to a team. In Asana, projects are usually part of a larger team, so make sure to select the correct team that will be working on this project. Privacy settings are next on the agenda. Here, you'll decide who can view this project. If it's something everyone in your organization should be able to see, set it to public. However, if the project contains sensitive information or is only relevant to a specific group, choose the private setting. Lastly, you'll need to determine the layout of your project. Asana offers several options: list, board, calendar, and timeline. Your choice will depend on how you prefer to visualize your tasks and progress. Each layout type offers distinct benefits, so consider what will work best for your team's workflow. Once you've carefully filled in all these details, the moment of creation is upon you. Simply click on Create Project, and there you have it. Your project is now live and ready to be populated with tasks and assignments. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to create a project in Asana. Now you can enjoy a streamlined and efficient project management experience. Thanks for watching, and